Well, good morning, guys. So, hopefully, if everything goes well, today will be our first day of combining. Get to use the new combine for the first time. Hopefully. All right, Bailey. Come on. Okay. Taller. Hey, Bailey. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yes. All right, Bailey. Come on. Hey, Caesar. It's okay, Duchess. Alright, buddy. Good morning, honey. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Hi. Oh, are you so excited to see me? Hey. Come here. Let's go out. Let's go out. Let's go out. Oh, I know. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Heading over to John's. Dad and I are going to do a couple things over there, and then I need to get him a part number for the potentiometer that we need for the bean head, because the guy who said he had one, he looked at it, said it's not really good enough to be used anymore. Anyways, Dad's got to make another parts run so we can get the bean head working, and then we're going to put the corn head on, and yeah, hopefully get to it. All right, Dad's on his way to go get parts, so I'm going to grease this wagon, fill up the tires with air, check the bearings, and then there's still one more wagon left to do, and then I'm gonna put hitches on all of them. Come on, baby, come on. Woo! There we go. Okay, I just got this wagon finished serviced, all the tires are full. I got it greased up. Now we're gonna take it outside. We're gonna hook this one to the other one and then put the hitches on all of them. Okay, got the first hitch on here. I'm gonna jump in the tractor, hook up to those wagons, and probably just take them out to the field, drop them off. Alright, I'm waiting on Dad right now to move that last tote of seed, and then we're gonna go over there and hook up to the corn head. I just set the combine off to reset the fault monitor because we unplugged the header from it and it said, oh no, I have a problem. So now we're gonna pull in and hook up to the corn head. All right. Well, Dad went to fire up the Hagee to move it out of the pathway here where we were gonna have the auger, and we think the injection pump went out. So now we got to hook to the Kubota and hopefully we can pull it out of the way. See how this goes. Well, I went home and had a good lunch. I think it's time to go try cutting corn. See what all goes wrong, but we're excited. Harvest 21, just getting started. Okay guys, this makes me really nervous. We're running a 6-row head on an 8-row machine. It's a new combine to us. So, since it's a small head on a big machine, new combine to us, there's just a few things making me just a little bit nervous because they're unknowns. There could be a problem with the combine, we don't know about it. I've gone over the fine-tooth comb several times and I've been working on it for a week and a half now, but you know, you don't know until you're out in the field going, and even then sometimes things just break. So got this working. I'm gonna try it. I have a feeling we're gonna blow corn straight out of the back of this thing, but we'll see. Woohoo! First corn through the combine. Oh wow, that sample's clean. Let's see what's on the ground. Wide combine problems. Okay, we've got some rotor loss. So what I'm out here looking for is, like right here, we've got a cob with kernels on it. We've actually got quite a bit of rotor loss. I've also got a little bit of chaffer loss. See, here's another one that's got some kernels on it. So I'm going to tighten down the concaves just a little bit, and then open up the sieves a little bit. Okay, so I actually decided not only am I going to change the concaves just a little bit tighter, but I'm also going to slow the rotor down just a little bit more. Okay, we've been going along a little while now. I think we've got all of the anchor done, but it is starting to get dialed in a little bit. Really suffering with both rotor loss and a little bit of chaffer loss. I think part of it's because the machine's pulling up and I'm tightening it down, slowing down the rotor. I've got the rotor at 220 RPM right now, so it's pretty low. And yeah, we're just kind of playing with it. We knew this would be a struggle. We've also got a lot of plant material piling up in the header. Unloads fast. Nice. We've got just a little bit of a drop. That's like falling 8.5 feet. Just a little bit. We're gonna get this figured out and get going. Well, that was fun while it lasted, but it didn't last for long. Turns out the new combine didn't break down. It was the adapter kit we put on the head wasn't strong enough and it just broke. Well, it shifted, threw the chain off, and now this is running crooked. So we've got a problem here. Yeah.